Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 iPhone secret features that are super useful and you will probably find yourself using these on a daily basis. These are hidden features you can find on your iPhone running iOS 15, and as I said, they're super useful. Now another very useful thing is the subscribe button on this video. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed, so that would really help out a lot. So make sure you don't leave this video without subscribing to the channel, and of course leave a like on the video. We're starting things off with the camera app. Now this is a pretty cool trick that will allow you to actually shoot a video on your iPhone with the screen hidden. So if you just want to shoot a video and you don't want to be noticed that you're actually recording, what you can do from here is just tap the record button, and then while your iPhone is recording, all you have to do to hide this screen right here is just pull down the control center, and as you can see right there, it won't be visible that you're actually recording, but it will still keep recording in the background. So you can see if I go back, it is still recording just like that. You have a video recorded, but of course you will have the control center on the screen right here showing up so that nobody noticed that you're recording a video. Now this trick is pretty cool. If you want to just hide a picture on plain sight on your iPhone, the trick to do that is tap the edit button and tap right here the crop tool, and what you need to do is just go ahead and just zoom in like that. Tap the done button right there, it will save it, and now you can see what we have right there, just a simple blue picture. And if you want to get the picture back, all you have to do is tap on edit, tap on revert, and there you go, you have your picture back. Just like that, you can hide photos that maybe you don't want to see on the photo library of your iPhone in plain sight. Nowadays, most people will have 2 or more mail accounts on their phone, and if you use the stock mail app of iOS, you can customize the notifications for each of the accounts that you have. So basically you can have different notifications for one account, different notifications for the other, even though both of them are on the same app. So if you use the stock mail app of iOS, go to settings, go to mail right there, and press on notifications. Right here, just scroll all the way down and you will find a section that says customize notifications. If you go here, you will have all of your accounts right there listed, and you can of course go to one of them and you can customize the notifications for that certain account, not all the accounts that you have on the mail app. So you can choose to enable or disable alerts and badges, and also change the sound right there. You will also have thread notifications, so right here you can also change the notifications for the threads that you have on your mail app. Pretty useful. Of course, you just want to customize notifications and not have the same on all of different accounts. You can do that from here. Of course, we all like to play games on the iPhone, but most games nowadays will show you a ton of ads interrupting your gameplay time after time, and when you get out of a level, maybe go to another level, you always get an ad, and that's really annoying. Now of course, these ads will need you to be connected to the internet in order to show up. So if you're playing a game that actually doesn't require to have an internet connection, what you can do is simply pull down the control center, make sure to turn off Wi-Fi, and also turn off cellular data before moving to the game, and then open the game, and of course that way you won't get any ads at all. iOS actually offers a lot of different gestures that will make your life easier, but most people actually don't know about them, or even if they know, they will forget about them and of course not use them on their iPhone. And one of them is the ability to quickly select text. Now right here you can see I have a text right there. Now all you have to do is just put the cursor at the end of that text, and if I want to select only that word, the last word, I can double tap right there. Or of course, if I just put the cursor right there, I can double tap, and again it will select the first word. But if I just want to select all the sentence, triple tap right there, and you can see the complete sentence is now selected, and that's super useful. Now on iOS, you probably know that you have this feature where you can actually just pinch in with 3 fingers like this to copy a text. So it says copy right there, but if I pinch in right again, so pinch in twice, it will actually cut the text, not just copy. You can even cut just like that, and of course pinch out to paste. But this is super useful. Pinch in once to copy and pinch in twice right there to actually cut that text. right on the home screen of your iOS device, there's a hidden like button or gesture, whatever you want to call it. So right here now, if you swipe down on any page, it will take you to the first page that you have on your home screen. That is of course known by now, but did you know that you can actually just swipe up like this and it will go back a page? So you don't have to actually swipe like that. All you have to do is here from any page, you just swipe up like that with your fingers and it will take you back to another page. Pretty cool, right? So just swipe like that and you can see it will even take you to the spotlight search on the left of your home page. So simply swipe up like that and it will take you back to any page just like that by swiping, and of course going back one page. If you want to go all the way to home screen, just swipe up once. As you probably know, on iOS, when you take a screenshot, you will have this tool right here, which is called a magnifier, basically allowing you to actually just zoom in on something like particular on a screenshot. You probably know about that, but did you know that you can actually use that on any picture? Simply tap the edit button right there, and then you will have that button for markup. Tap there and it will go to the same UI as the screenshots do. Tap the plus button and now you will have the magnifier right there that will allow you to do the same thing on any photo that you have, not just screenshots. And of course you will also have all the other tools right here. You can add text to that photo, add a signature if you want to, add different shapes, and of course a description as well. This secret iPhone feature is quite old, but it's really good, and I know a lot of people don't actually know about this. So when you go to your settings, you go to set a wallpaper. What you will have here is a preview of the wallpaper on the lock screen and home screen as well. But did you know that you can have different adjustments for the wallpaper on the home and on the lock screen? So if I tap right there, it will show me the preview of the wallpaper that I have on the lock screen. I can go ahead and zoom in here if I want to, just like that, set this wallpaper, and now that will be set on the lock screen only. And you can see right here how it looks on the home screen, but when I go to the lock screen, it will have a different zoom. If you use the spotlight search from the left side on the home screen of your device or have any widgets there, anytime you go here, you will basically get this screen and you will have to reach at the top to actually show the keyboard if you just want to search for something. But the easiest way to do this is just swipe like this to go there, and then just swipe down here anywhere on the screen. Just swipe down, you don't need to reach for the top, swipe down like that and it will show you the keyboard so you can easily search anything you need on your device. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 10 iPhone secrets that I believe are super useful and you should start using right away. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and of course leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.